We are here today at the Crescent Arts Centre as we are launching a new 3-year programme. The programme is going to be called the Mental Health and Arts Programme, and it is jointly funded by the National Lottery and the Bearing Foundation. The programme has 3 strands. The first strand will provide training and support for artists to improve their own mental health. The second strand will offer specialist training and upskilling for artists who work in the field of mental health. And the third strand will benefit wider groups in society by providing funding that will pair artists with organisations specialising in mental health work in order to develop bespoke community arts programmes for vulnerable groups.
We now have an outcomes-based strategy, and this programme sits very clearly within that framework. One of our objectives is to get an arts sector that really looks after its people, its workforce. So clearly, in my view, this mental health and arts programme is designed to ensure that we are looking after our sector and they're looking after themselves.
We would love to make it a long-term programme, but initially what we'd like to have is a mixture where we find out more what artists need, how they can be supported, but also to have lots of participatory projects. I think one of the great strengths of the Arts Council Northern Ireland is working at the grassroots.
So there are a number of reasons why Inspire are supporting this project. The first is the value that we place on art and creativity to spread wellbeing in the community. That's really important to us. The second is that across our services, we use the services of artists to help with recovery and inclusion across our organisation.
As a service user of charity services for mental health, arts services for mental health, as somebody who creates art within the mental health sector, I am acutely aware that the services just requires that massive injection of funding at the minute. We can't create a safe and equitable workspace without that capital. So I think this announcement today is actually a real game changer.